Hello friends, welcome to Windows tips and trick tutorials. I am Abhishek and in previous tutorial we have seen that how can we disable the control panel, and in today's video we will see that how can we disable specific pages in control panel. If you will open control panel, there are too many pages and items like mouse, keyboards, and there are many more, and you can also edit these very settings. So our point is how can we disable these items. So let us see. First of all, open group policy editor. How can you open it? Just type gpedit.msc. and now open administrative template in user configuration and click on control panel, and now there is an option hide specified control panel item. Double click on it and click on enable, and now there is a list of disallowed control panel item. Click on it and now put the value to which you want to disable. For example, I want to disable the mouse option and also keyboard. Sorry. Okay, and now click OK. Click on apply and then OK. Close group editor and now click on control panel, and see friends, there is no any option and pages like mouse and keyboards. If you will see here, mouse and keyboards items has been disabled, and you can say hide. And if you want to just enable and unhide these very items, just follow the same path. So in this way we can hide control panel specific items. So thank you friends, and till next video, bye bye.